What exactly happened? Shayla, you were there.
There was a hate crime, and they killed a midget, and
Heather, would you like to add anything to this?
Okay.
There you were. You were here too. You saw stuff. Did they come into the door?
Okay.
Did they come in?
There were some strange ones,
Oh, now they're strange.
and they came in the back door, right?
Okay, yes,
And
you're
then
right.
They kind of crept all the way around, and they walked past the food counter and didn't get their pizza. So then they walked all over the place, and he went to the bathroom.
weird.
And she was stuck staring at this picture, like really intently.
I think that midget was in the picture.
Maybe so. So here's the thing. She then goes into the bathroom, and they are both now in the bathroom disposing of different parts. And it's going down the toilet and like into our water supply. They're gonna have to filter this midget out of the water.
All right, this is Doug Kelly reporting. I happened to notice the suspects when they first came in. The perpetrators walked right by. One was wearing a Santa hat. I looked at it. It was pretty serious. They walked right by the food place. They didn't even ask. They just looked right. They just looked right by and kept staring at pictures. Next thing you know, they're staring at a picture. Just staring right at one. And then they both slide away. Oh my God, Phil 11. She's going to check on her. What's happening?
She's gonna find him. Oh my god, she's
They're
gonna find
in
him.
the bathroom. She just went into the bathroom with them. So this whole time that we've been conducting this interview, she went to go check it out. She's a brave young soul.
You know what's gonna happen?
Go get him, girl.
They're gonna end up chopping her up too because she's gonna witness the shit. And so she's gonna have to be filtered out of the water too.
You know what's even worse? What's even worse is that I know Heather's gonna have to pee. So she's gone too. Okay, one of the perpetrators is coming.
Wait. She's back. She's doing something with the purse. A lot of things are happening with the purse.
Is she bloody saw? Is she bloody saw? Okay, no, I don't.
No.
I thought I did.
Okay, presents are interesting.
The guy still okay, now there's Santa. There's Santa.
Okay, Shanna's out with his eye. Oh my, he's weird.
Hold him out.
Oh, and he's got a strut. Maybe he had to take a poop and it didn't came out much better.
It's not very
I'm
zoomed
not
in.
leaving with no pizza. No pizza. Weird.
This is what I said when they came in, and you guys thought that was weird. It was normal.
This is really weird.
They you know what? They pooped and scooped.
And they're gone. Dun 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 dun.
They